Prezidente República hateten amizade entre Timor-Leste e Indonésia, laos de governo ao governo, maibe entre povo ao povo.
Prezidente República usará majorta atau declaração e a celebração Indonesian Day, o tema fortalece a relação cultura no economia ho Timor-Leste ba integração e ASEAN da menor harmonia. Ia ne discurso ramjorta hateten relação ruane laos deit governu ho governu, mas vemos relação forte povo ho povo, no importante mos relação cultural economia.
So this talk about the government relations and sometimes, often in international relations, there are government-to-government relations, but very little people-to-people relationship. In the relationship Timor-Leste and Indonesia is both very strong people-to-people relationship. For those of you who might not know, Timor-Leste visitors to Indonesia is the number 4 in numbers visiting Indonesia every month. And Timorese never complain in going to Indonesia. And I presume Indonesians never complain coming to Timor-Leste. So that is the nature of this great relationship.
Ia fatinganesa embaixador Indonesia Timor-Leste Octodorinus Manik fo ênfase katak amizade idane la para deit iha economia maibe sai parceria ba desenvolvimento nação unian inclui apoio a adesão Timor-Leste nian basean.
Indonesia and Timor-Leste friendship goes beyond economics. It lifts the heart of people. Many of Timorese here have family in Indonesia, study in Indonesia, travel to Indonesia. Likewise, Timor-Leste also become a second home to many Indonesians, having family, working and contributing to this beautiful country. This relationship are what turn neighbor into family. And next month, our big family of ASEAN is excited to finally have Timor-Leste as full member of this family. Give a big applause.
Indonesian Day ne reforça laos deit relação bilateral, mas vemos sublinha visão comum ba integração regional da menor harmonia ba futuro bot entre Timor-Leste e Indonesia. Adrian Verdial, Luciano Ambral, GMN.